Hi guys, my name is Nikita Mehta Arora. I am a NLP practitioner and a life coach. I know we all are so devastated and heartbroken with the news of the young Bollywood talented actor who committed suicide few days back. Today I am going to talk about it. सबसे पहले मैं एक बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी आपको. If you are not the creator of your life, then you don't have the right to put an end to this life. Let us know the reasons ये suicidal thoughts कैसे या क्यों आते हैं. The first reason is the chronic illness, which is the seriousness of the medical illness that you go through and you have the tendency to have suicidal thoughts. The next is depression or anxiety, wherein you really don't have the energy to carry out your thoughts. The next reason could be physical, mental or sexual abuse, where the tendency to commit suicide increases to 2 to 3 times. Another reason could be excessive consumption of alcohol or drugs, because you really can't take the lowest, so you happen to have such thoughts. And there would be many more reasons to it. But I really want to ask you a very typical question. Is suicide the only solution to the problem? Because if that's the scenario, तो शायद आज आप, मैं और हम सब यहाँ पर नहीं होते. Because कहीं ना कहीं we all have hit the rock bottom of our life, or maybe a lot of us are really struggling, or maybe we have struggled a lot in our life. But I firmly believe that there is always light after the dark. हर रात का एक सवेरा होता है. So suicide is not the solution, people. You really have to come out of such thoughts. But I think there is one major problem. The problem is not with the person who tends to commit suicide, but it is with the people around that person or the environment that is created around that person. We live in this era of competition where if you are not successful, तो लोग आके आपको जज करेंगे, लोग आपकी गलतियां निकालेंगे और लोग आपको नहीं एक्सेप्ट करेंगे आप जैसे भी हैं. So during such times we really tend to criticize ourselves and we really feel helplessness. So who plays the role here? The society plays the role here. There are students who have tendency to commit suicide because they've really scored very less in their examination. Because the society, the family, the friends, they are going to appreciate only those people who stood first or who stood very good marks. But what happens here is we are really not able to take failure. We only want success in our life, and this is what the standards that are set by the society. Why can't we live a judgment-free life? Why do we have this criteria of being thin or being fat? Why can't we say, oh, you are such a healthy person? Why do people judge them? You know, आप मोटे हो इसलिए आप सुंदर नहीं हो, या फिर आप इतने पतले क्यों हो? Why can't you say, oh, you are so fit? Let us just eliminate the criteria of judging others. Why can't we take failure as a feedback? Why, this is the time, if somebody is really at the lowest in their life, then we should go and, we should actually go and tell them the solutions or the next best ideas so that they can really go ahead in their life, they can really do well in their life. हम क्यों ऐसी चीज नहीं कर सकते हैं? Why do we let people to take such harsh step in their life? Why can't we live with love, compassion and empathy towards others? We just have one life. Let us give, let us be the reason for others to live. Let us not be the reason for them to commit suicide. Please show love, empathy and compassion towards everybody and anybody around.